supercharge your coding workflow with these awesome websites. The following are the top 5 websites to help you do your job faster. 1. Focus Guard. It is a distraction-blocking Chrome extension to help you in enhancing your productivity. It does this by blocking sites that you do not want to visit while coding. 2. Explain Shell. It is a web application that helps to understand the command line arguments. It takes the command and displays the relevant data about the command to you. 3. Cron Hub. Cron Hub helps you to easily run any command or script on schedule without managing servers, DevOps, and infrastructure. Cron Hub can help you in managing the cron jobs. 4. Wakatime. It is a tool that can help you in tracking your coding time. Knowing coding time can help you in understanding how you spend your time while coding. 5. The Odin Project. Our full-stack curriculum is free and supported by a passionate open-source community. It is a free, open-source curriculum that teaches web development. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.